We are doing side kick. In this is a warm up for the lower body before your exercise or any physical activity you're performing, even sports. So you have to stand on both the leg, take your one leg a little back, and then balance yourself. Don't let your hip fall on the opposite side. Raise it up a little bit so you're giving a good pressure on the standing leg, which is your right over here. Now, with the left leg, I want you to kick it outward like hip abduction and a little bit extension. Little bit extension around the back. So you can feel your buttocks and the outer hip burning and doing the movement. Now, in this one, you will feel more burn around the outer side of the middle abductor on the right hand side. So, once you are done with 10 to 20 movements, you are good to go with the other side. Don't tilt your torso to one side. That will be a trick movement what you can perform. Yes. And if you're not able to do the movement in one go, you can actually bring down your leg and touch the toe to the floor and then do it again. Keep your torso straight, core in. If you feel any kind of pain in your knee, ankle, or lower back and hip, that means you might be performing the movement wrong. So immediately try to pull your core in and then try to perform the movement again. Try to do it at least 10 to 20 times.